Hello and welcome back to Catastrophe. Today we're going to learn more about the solar system. Now, what is the solar system? The solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the suns and the objects that orbit it. Of the objects that orbit the sun directly, the largest are the 8 planets, and everything else is the smaller objects such as the dwarf planets and the asteroids and other solar system bodies. What is the solar system? The solar system is located about 26,000 light years from the center of the galaxy on the inner edge of the Orion Cygnus arm. It is sandwiched between two primary spiral arms, the Sagittarius and the Pisces arms. Now let's talk about the origin of the name solar system. Where did we get the word solar from? Well, we derived the word solar from the Latin word solus, which meant sun, and thus we call everything related to the sun solar. When was the solar system formed? The solar system was formed about 4.5 billion years ago, or 4.34 million years before dinosaurs. How was the solar system formed? The solar system was formed by a cloud of gas when it condensed and formed the sun. Then the planets were formed out of the debris that the gas left behind. And how was the asteroid belt and other small objects formed? Well, as planets began to break down into smaller pieces and gases and dust came together to form rock, not as big as a planet but still pretty big, asteroids were formed, and leftover material slowly moved into an orbit around the sun. And currently, the asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Now, let's talk about one of the most important things that happened to our solar system, which was Pluto being taken out. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union downgraded the status of Pluto to that of a dwarf planet. This means that from now on, only the rocky worlds of the inner solar system and gas giants of the outer system will be called and designated as planets. Planets and their order. I'm going to name each planet in its order. First, we have Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then we have the asteroid belt, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And lastly, how far each planet is from the Sun. Mercury is about 36 million miles or 57.9 million kilometers away from the Sun, while Venus is 67.2 million miles or 108.2 million kilometers away from the Sun. Earth is 93 million miles or 149.6 million kilometers away from the Sun. Mars is 141.6 million miles or 227.9 million kilometers away from the Sun. Jupiter is 483.6 million miles or 778.3 million kilometers away from the Sun. Saturn is 886.7 million miles or 1,427 million kilometers away from the Sun. Uranus is 1,784 million miles or 2,871 million kilometers away from the Sun. And finally, Neptune is about 2,794.4 million miles away or 4,497 million kilometers away from the Sun. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.